Hello, and thank you for watching this short video. My name is Paul North, and I'm the founder and MD of Illuminis Insight Software, home of the Illuminis Business Intelligence solution for SMEs. Our offering to SMEs is unique. We combine reporting software along with data analyst support as part of a single monthly fee. Now, I'm often asked to explain why SMEs need business intelligence, such as our Octalas software, when all of the major accounting systems will produce reports. But equally, I have yet to meet the manager who is remotely happy with the reporting he gets directly from his accounts package or ERP, and who doesn't resort to spreadsheets to get the information he really wants. Often managers think the answer is to invest in a bigger, more complex system. In fact, it seldom is, because the difficulty in getting the reporting you need isn't down to poor accounting software. Let me explain. Account software is designed with one crucial primary purpose, and that's to ensure that your accounting information is always completely accurate and reliable so you can fulfill your statutory requirements. An ERP system is accounting software which has been extended to bring in transactional data, such as sales and purchase order processing, stock management, and so on. Now, ERPs are designed to be capable of dealing with many different types of business. As a result, these are complex systems. This means they take a standardized approach to the recording of data, even though the way you as an individual business store your data will be very different in practice to everyone else using the very same system. To allow for this, and yet to keep the cost realistic, the developers must take a big picture approach. They try to be all things to all people. Think of it like a template with a series of interconnected boxes. As a user, you have a lot of leeway to hold whatever packets of data work best for your business in each of these boxes. And there's the rub. Because the way you use your accounting system is unique to you, so is the reporting that you need from it. There is no one size fits all, and this creates three major challenges in getting the reporting you want to see from your accounting software. Firstly, remember that the primary concern of the system developer is to give you completely reliable financial information. To do that, they have to make sure that your core financial data is securely linked up in the best way to achieve that. As a result, there will be a bunch of reports which come directly off the system, obvious ones being P&L, balance sheet, aged debtors and creditors, all the traditional financial reports you're used to. But because it's one size fits all, they can't guesstimate the other reporting you as an individual business might want, over and above any other user, so they don't even try. To get round this, they build in a report writer, which can join up pretty much all of the data in the system. Now, this does enable the development of many of the completely customized reports you're looking for, except that creating those reports in this tool is not a job for the faint-hearted. You do need to be skilled in its use and have a really good understanding of the data structures in the ERP system. In all likelihood, as an SME, you won't have these skills in-house, so you end up relying on an expensive resource at the reseller. But even with the report writer, you end up with a set of static reports which are limited to the data in the ERP system. And usually you will have data elsewhere you would like to include. A great example being your operating targets, which rarely find a home in the ERP. The third challenge relates to the quality of this reporting. Remember those little boxes of data I talked about? They're great for storing all sorts of details. Data about your customers, your stock items, your sales orders, and so on. But often they're just free text boxes. You can put in whatever you like. But the system developers obviously can't know how you might use these, so they can't build in any kind of intelligence to ensure the accuracy and quality of that data, much less report on it. And as we all know, garbage in, garbage out. And there we have it, three reasons that go right to the root of why you don't get the majority of the reporting you want from your accounting software. and it's not down to the accounting package you have chosen. So here's where business intelligence like our Octolast software takes up the reins. It expands your available reporting to all of your data, not just the stuff held in your ERP or accounts package, allowing you to get exactly the reporting you want every day, right across the piece, plus the power to drill down right to the base data, and for yourself. So that means spreadsheets holding operating targets, perhaps some CRM data, it really doesn't matter, all linked up automatically to your accounts data in a single database. The whole point of business intelligence is to get all of your data sources talking to each other. And then it's also easy to build your unique business rules into the reporting so that your data quality becomes just something that happens. So Illuminis is the one-stop shop for SME reporting, combining excellent, easy-to-use software with specialist advice and support, which is always on tap. So getting exactly the reports you need in one click when you need them is easy and included in your monthly license fee. I'd love to give you a quick demo and show you how you too can have the reporting you need at a level you really didn't think possible at this price. Email me or visit our website and get in touch. Thank you.